Magwana na mabibi wakisi hamjambo. It's a great pleasure for me and my colleague from the Chinese Embassy to be hosted here today by Governor Simba Aradi and the Deputy Governor and the county team and the Commissioner. It's really an eye-opening experience for us. I've been in Kenya for some time, but it's my first time here. We drove past by Kisii yesterday, and all of my colleagues thought this is something very big city. And actually, we sense the friendship and the business opportunity here in this great country. As the governor just shared with you, we discussed on the sub-national exchange and cooperation. We explored the possibility of cooperation in the health sector, the agro-processing, particularly the famous, I'm so impressed by the banana products in this country. And the soapstones as very good material for artifacts and many other areas. China is committed to deepen its friendship and cooperation with Kenya. And we wish the sub-national entities can play a bigger role in it. So that is the purpose of my visit here today in this beautiful country. And I really appreciate your warmest hospitality showered to the Chinese ambassador and the Chinese embassy delegation. We will not take it for granted. So in the Chinese embassy in Nairobi or in China, Kisii, we always find a very good friend, Asanteni Sana. Thank you very much.